the government is adopting, we need a multi-pronged strategy. So we need a swift response involving all the stakeholder in the country. Swift response involving all the stakeholder in the country. Swift response all involving all the stakeholder in the country. So we need a robust health system dealing with the pandemic. So in the beginning, we could only manage the disease, and management that puts immense pressure on the public health system. So India has acted very fast. Without WHO making the official pronouncement. We started putting our system in place. When we were taking the care of Italian people as we were taking care of Indian people. So community transmission is a huge challenge in India. The rural hinterland, we have to focus more on that. So we must make these individual hinterland as resilient to any kind of pandemic. We must make our hinterland resilient to any kind of pandemic. Big city as well as hinterland resilient to any kind of pandemic. So we have integrated disease surveillance program. So it's an integrated disease surveillance program. So the way what has got online reporting and the integrated disease surveillance program, one of the major national health program under the National Health Mission for all the states and UT. The key objective of the program is to strengthen, maintain decentralized laboratory-based IT-enabled disease surveillance systems. The IT-enabled disease surveillance system for epidemic-prone disease to monitor disease trends and to detect and respond to outbreaks at early rising phase through trained and response training. So it is IT-enabled disease surveillance system. To monitor the disease. IT surveillance. This is a IT-enabled disease surveillance system to monitor the disease. IT-enabled disease surveillance system to monitor the disease. To integrated disease surveillance system has improved and it's reached in the 7 years. It has reached the 700 district. So DRDO, DBT, ICMR all are working in tandem to deal with the crisis. The social media advisory are a very important pillar of public health response. Social media advisory. So public health care infrastructure do not operate in the vacuum for it. So public health infrastructure do not operate in the vacuum. There are 3 levels of the response. First level is a government level. And second is the individual level. So literally people are coming in public, coming out of their home, increasing the morale of the public, increase the morale of the healthcare workers. So we have to move from government preparedness to community preparedness. We have to prepare the community, we have to make them resilient. And government has to support the community preparedness at a very decentralized level. So community preparedness is going to be decisive if any kind of attack happen again. So social responsibility is important for the containment of this contagion. So this is not going to be the last one. So we must be. So key point into all this is that we preparedness for the public health system. Public health preparedness, increasing the social awareness, and using evidence-based decision making.